Hello everyone. So today we are going to make our new app which is Bounce Game. So let's start making it. So first it is written create your own bounce game. Okay. So we have to make this when run. When run what will happen? What will happen? Then we will launch a new ball and when left arrow key then move left and when right arrow key move right. When ball hits paddle then bounce ball and when ball hits wall then bounce ball and when ball in goal then score point and we will make a sound which is any of the sound, for example hit or crunch, anything we can do. So when ball misses paddle opponent will score a point. Then it will launch a new ball. Okay, and when ball score and goal then also it will launch a new ball. After that let's run and check. Wait, one score. Yeah, then ball again come. Ball is going. So score is 1-1. Then ball again come and then again score. Like this you can make your own game. And if you want to share this then go to the share option, then send to phone and then scan this URL, then scan this QR code, sorry. And when you will scan this, then it will come in your phone. So that's all.